today's video is going to be really short and just informative. It's how to break in your V8 AMG. And all this information I'm going to give you guys today was given to me by the dealership when I was picking up my GTS. And that's just the sensor going off because I have my license plate mounted onto the tow hook. And yeah, so if you guys hear that strange beeping, it's because of my license plate. Alright, so there's actually a few different steps that you have to do when you're breaking in your V8 AMG. The number one rule of thumb is to not floor the car. You should not go... Bruh. And that one's pretty simple, isn't it? Like, just don't floor the car, don't go over 4,500 RPMs for the first 1,000 miles only. The dealer actually recommended 1,200 miles just to be safe, but I might do that. I might just wait for the full, 1,200 miles just to be safe. The second one is you cannot go over 85 miles per hour. I can assure you that I'm not going to be going over 85 miles per hour because I'm on Sport Cup 2 summer tires and it is 30 degrees outside. So I've just been driving this car really slowly, basically been driving it like a grandma, but I'm telling you, as soon as that 1,000 mile braking period is over, I'm going to have a lot of fun with this car. And the next step is, if you are going to be going at highway speeds like 65, 70 miles per hour, increase the load slowly. Like if you're trying to merge onto the lane, increase the load slowly. Do not floor it, because then, of course, you're going to be going 85 miles per hour and you're going to be over 4,500 RPMs. What? As soon as I pass state inspection, I'm taking off this stupid license plate, even though it is required in Massachusetts. But that last point I made, talking about increasing the load slowly, that is even if you're over 1,000 miles, because if you're in a low gear and you're just flooring it, then my assumptions are that you're just gonna burn a lot of rubber if you don't have traction control on, and because you don't want to spin out in a car like this and risk crashing it, because this is a very powerful car. It has 515 horsepower all to the rear wheels, and just don't do anything that would compromise the health and longevity of yourself first of all, or your car. So basically just follow all these steps, no kickdowns, no excessive loads, do not go over 85 miles per hour, and don't go over 4,500 RPMs. As long as you take good care of your car will take care of you. Just follow those steps if you want to have a nice healthy baby. So all the information that I just gave you guys was from the sticker on the windshield, which you can see in the top left corner. There goes the beeping. And also from the dealership as well when I was picking up the car. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I can't wait to make a bunch more content with this car as soon as the break-in period is over. But until then, see you guys in the next one. Peace.